I'm ready. Ready? Hello, this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and today we're talking about workers' compensation injuries, or injuries that you incur while you're at work. Let's say that you're on or about your employer's business. There's no doubt about that. But you are injured by a third party, meaning someone not connected to you or your employer. A good example would be if you're a delivery truck driver. You're driving down the street, going about your employer's business, and you have an accident with another vehicle, and the driver of that vehicle actually causes the accident. It's his fault, in other words. And you're injured in that accident. Well, then you have a claim, another separate lawsuit, if you will, against the driver of that other vehicle, a third-party claim. Now, you can accept workers' compensation benefits too, and you might have to do that because you might need the money. Let's say you're off work for a month because of this injury. You'd be entitled to 2 weeks or 14 days of workers' compensation benefits, and then when your case is finally concluded against the third party, then they would be entitled to recover that money from the third party as well, your workers' comp insurance carrier. That's one example. Another example would be if you work in a sawmill, you operate a large commercial saw, let's say, and you saw logs into lumber, and the manufacturer of that saw somehow leaves off a part, a safety device, a guide, a protection that you are entitled to, and you are somehow injured by that saw because of that defective product. Well, then you would have a third-party products liability claim against the manufacturer of that saw, and the same situation would be there as with the driver of the delivery van. It's the same type of thing. Both these examples are examples of actual cases that have occurred. There are many others. You can probably think of many situations where a third party might be responsible for your injury, but sometimes it causes disability. What about disability in on-the-job injuries? Well, that's a subject for our next video.